Isadora Autumn Look 2012 Paradox. This is both a masculine and a feminine look. Starting off with Twist Up Metallic Pen in number 58 Deep Black, I make a rough sketch and a grading. The eyeshadows will be graded darkest by the lashes and lightest underneath the brow bone. But in the crease I apply a darker shadow, which I'm also gonna use underneath the eye. I use the shimmery light blue to create a grading from the bottom of the crease towards the top of the brow bone. Highlight I put underneath the eyes and in the corner of the eyes. On the middle of the eyelid I add the darkest shimmery eyeshadow and grade it upwards the crease. On the outer corners underneath the eye I add the fourth color, a matte, almost lilac color. And to frame the eye, I use inliner Kajal in 51 Indian Black. Use Wigwam whenever you want your lashes to match smoky eyes. One of our new products this season is Lip Fix. Use it on the contour of your lips or all over your lips to prevent the lipstick from bleeding. Perfect Matte Lipstick number 5, Femme Fatale, is the ultimate cool red. I want this to be an evening look, and for perfection I use Isadora's lip brush. If you want a subtle look, you can apply a small amount of lipstick by using your finger. A neutral blush for darker skin tones are number 14 Bearberry. I also use bronze highlight number 44 to add definition to the cheekbone. For eyebrows I use Isadora Brow Pencil in a color similar to the hair color.